Good afternoon folks, and welcome to Blackpool Automart. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site next door to our partners at Blackpool Seat, and on the other side of us is the Honda Superbike Centre, and of course across the road Blackpool Honda, all of which operating under the Cox Motor Group banner, and not just at the Blackpool site, but we also have a site at Southport and Lancaster. So just taking the opportunity to do a quick vehicle video for you while the weather's okay and there's no rain, letting you know what stock's available, what we've got, what's on the forecourt, what's online, and we also have plenty of offers and deals online at the moment, so please feel free to take a look. You can go direct to our website at coxmotorgroup.com, or you can go and subscribe to our YouTube channel and have a look at our vehicle videos on there as well. Like I say, plenty of offers to be had, plenty of deals, and plenty of cars for you to choose from. And in the meantime, we've got this 2017 Nissan Juke. It's an N-Connecta DIG 1.2 petrol, 6-speed manual. It's a 5-door cross, as you can see, in blade silver metallic. This particular edition, you get a colour reverse camera, cruise control with speed limiter, DAB radio, heated electric folding windows, wing mirrors, Bluetooth, Nissan Connect, and the 17-inch alloys as well. It's a very bonny looking car. Let's have a look at the boot while we're at this end. So you've got a decent sized space. You've also got a second level on the boot floor itself, and then underfloor storage as well. So in order to utilise that, you just drop that down, and it's dead easy to lift back up as well. You've got a 60/40 split on the back seats also. Going into the car itself, you've got leather and suede upholstery with a slight touch of the cloth trim on the outside edges, and that's all the way through. You got your start button just there. So you got your 6-speed manual gearbox, manual handbrake, USB port and auxiliary, aircon, climate control, and you got your center screen console, you got your sat nav as well, and your reversing camera. Pretty standard layout for the cockpit. On the left hand one, you got your headlights, beam settings and indicators. Left hand of the steering wheel, you got your volume control, hands-free and Bluetooth. Right hand one, you've got your windscreen wipers and washers, and then right at the steering wheel you got your cruise control functions as well. Just underneath, a bit further down the right, you got your wing mirrors, your display brightness as well, and the door, central locking and windows. So is it a lovely car? It's very comfortable to drive. And if you've got any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, as previously mentioned, on coxmotorgroup.com, or you can go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a call, or better still, pop down and see us. And we're only too happy to help. Just speak to one of our team and I'll let you know what offers are available. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.